Happy holidays indeed.
Tony, ano yan? Hibiscus tea with pomegranate curls. You liked it? Sana?
It's the popping boba.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Sige, try mo na yung ano, because tatay's birthday, di ba? So, meron tayong free cake, the mango